Hello everyone. We are in part 9 of the chapter Respiration and Circulation. And in part 9 we are going to study different disorders which are related to respiratory system. We had seen that respiratory system consists of different parts. And even if there are changes in the different parts of the respiratory system like lungs, larynx, pharynx, even if certain tissues are damaged, which are the disorders, which are the common disorders that are caused? First disorder we are going to study is emphysema. Now, emphysema, the symptoms which shows emphysema is first breakdown of alveoli. Now, what do you mean by breakdown of alveoli? Breakdown means what? When emphysema develops, the alveoli and the lungs tissues are developed. So, when lungs and alveoli are destroyed, this term is called as breakdown of alveoli. The symptoms are shortness of breath and breakdown of alveoli. That is basically the tissues of alveoli and the lungs are damaged, and that causes emphysema. Now, what this causes emphysema? What are the causes which results in emphysema? First is smoking. Okay, we know that smoking, basically when we see, it consists of tobacco. Yes, and this tobacco basically consists of nicotine, and this nicotine, it is a hazardous substance. Okay, so this damages the tissues of the lungs, this damages the tissue of the alveoli also. Second is air pollution. If you are surviving, or if you are staying in an area where there is lots of air pollution, okay, like where there are more of vehicles, okay, so which releases different poisonous gases like carbon monoxide, and continuous exposure to this carbon monoxide, this also results in destruction, or this basically destroys the tissues of the alveoli as well as lungs. So the symptoms is first is breakdown of alveoli. When we see emphysema, the symptoms, क्या symptoms दिखते हैं? Breakdown of alveoli. Breakdown means what? Again, I'm repeating, it is damage of tissues of alveoli as well as lungs. The symptoms are shortness of breath. You cannot breathe properly. Okay. And then what causes emphysema? Smoking, because it consists of nicotine. Okay. And then air pollution. What is the treatment? How can you treat emphysema? First is quit smoking. As we had seen that smoking, it consists of different poisonous gases. Basically, nicotine is present. So the major treatment is what? Quit smoking, so that your lungs and your different alveoli air sacs, they are not exposed to poisonous gases. Second is avoid polluted air. Okay, stop exposing yourself to the polluted air. Third treatment is what? Administer oxygen to relieve symptoms. Administer oxygen to relieve symptoms means what? You can expose yourself, you can go to places where you get more and more fresh air. Okay, so administer oxygen to relieve symptoms. Second disorder, it is chronic bronchitis. Now, what do you mean by the term chronic? Chronic means what? Basically, chronic means what? The disease which have occurs for more than 1 year, which persists for more than 1 year. That means the person is suffering from this disease for a longer time. And this disease, it again and again reoccurs. Reoccurs means what? वो हमेशा आते ही रहता है. Okay, it is not at all cured, but you have to continuously take medication for that. So such disease which again and again reoccurs, and where a continuous treatment is required. Chronic disease, it occurs for more than a year. Okay, and if you do not take proper medication, if you do not take proper treatment, it can again reoccur. So such disease is called as chronic. So the second disorder we are going to study is chronic bronchitis. What are the symptoms? Example is coughing. Okay, example is coughing. You again and again keep on coughing. The mucus gets accumulated, and again you keep on coughing. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ स्कफिंग व्हाट हैपेंस, शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ, क्या होता है तुम्हारे एल्वियोलाई में, तुम्हारे लंग्स में क्या होता है, कंटिन्यूस म्यूकस जमा होता है, एंड दिस म्यूकस इट blocks this mucus, what happens, it blocks the what you can say alveoli, and because of mucus proper oxygen is not given, proper oxygen is not given, is not reached till the alveoli and lungs, and there is less of oxygen, and that is why you suffer from shortness of breath. Even tuberculosis, if you have heard of tuberculosis, tuberculosis is an example of chronic bronchitis. Now what are the cause? What causes chronic bronchitis? Smoking. If you are chain smoker, okay, अगर suppose दिन में तुम 10-10 सिगरेट पीते हो, तो obviously वो poisonous gases कहाँ जाएगी? जो poisonous gases है वो धीरे धीरे accumulate हो जाते हैं in the form of tar. Okay, तुमने advertisements देखा ही होगा टीवी पे. Okay, तो continuous smoking की वजह से क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे वो poisonous gases तुम्हारे lungs में accumulate हो जाते हैं. Ultimately तुम्हारे alveoli के tissue जो air sacs है, वो alveoli के tissues damage होते हैं. This results in blockage, and this blockage की वजह से क्या होता है, तुम्हारे lungs को enough oxygen नहीं मिलता है, and you start coughing and then shortness of breath. Okay, so the causes of chronic bronchitis is smoking, and again air pollution. If you're exposed, continuously exposed to a polluted, if suppose you are living in a polluted area जहाँ पे तुम्हें continuously you're exposed to carbon monoxide, poisonous gases, different types of poisonous gases, so this also results in chronic bronchitis. Again, what is the treatment? The first major treatment is what? Quit smoking. अगर तुम smoking quit करते हो तो तुम्हारे lungs, तुम्हारे alveoli, they are not exposed to different smokes which are present in the tobacco. Yes, like nicotine, as I said. Okay, then avoid polluted area. Okay, and if possible, move to a warmer, dry climate. Why move to a warmer, dry climate? Because if you are exposed to cold climate, again and again you will suffer from mucus accumulation. Okay, and cold conditions क्या करते हैं? It increases the chances of chronic bronchitis. So if you move to the warmer and drier climate, cough will be not formed, and what happened, your blockage will be not formed, and there will be easy oxygen available to your lungs to breathe, and that is why it is said that move to a warmer and drier climate. Third is acute bronchitis. Now what do you mean by the term acute? Acute, it is a disease or disorder that lasts for a shorter time. जैसे हमने पढ़ा था chronic. Chronic क्या है? वो long term disease है. Yes, if a person is suffering for more than 1 year and continuously वो person को क्या लगता है? Treatment लगता है. अगर वो treatment नहीं लेता है, again and again it reoccurs. So when a disease occur for a more time, that is called as chronic. Whereas acute में क्या होता है? ये वैसा disorder है that last only for a short period of time. जैसे तुम्हें सर्दी होती है, खांसी होती है, अगर सपोज तुमने आइसक्रीम खा लिया, yes, या तुमने कुछ ठंडा खा लिया, तो what you suffer from cough and cold. Now you know that this cough and cold, it will last only for 1 week, and after 1 week you are quite sure that it will this disorder will go. Okay, तुम अच्छे हो जाओगे. So this treatment, so this type of disorder is called as acute, where you can see that it occurs only for a shorter period of time. So the third disorder we are going to study is acute bronchitis. Acute bronchitis means what? It occurs or it lasts only for a short period of time. Okay, now what are the symptoms? Symptoms is inflammation of bronchi. Inflammation का meaning क्या होता है? Swelling. Okay, so swelling of bronchi. Okay, we had studied lung, it divides into divisions which is called as bronchi. Bronchi, it again divides into primary divisions which is called as bronchioles. So inflammation, that means what? Swelling. Swelling of bronchi. Again the symptoms is shortness of breath. Why shortness of breath? because enough oxygen doesn't reach your alveoli. And yellow mucus coughed up. Yellow mucus means what? The mucus, it gets accumulated. Okay, and this mucus, the mucus is yellow in color and it starts accumulating, and because of this accumulation of mucus, what happens again? Enough of oxygen is not reached to your lungs, to your alveoli, because this mucus, it basically blocks the oxygen. This mucus, it basically blocks the oxygen, and our body क्या करता है? It tries to remove the cough, and the major process of removing the cough is what? Through coughing. Through the coughing, what happens? Your body, it tries to remove the cough. The symptoms are inflammation of bronchi, shortness of breath, yellow mucus, coughed up. Now, what are the causes? What causes acute bronchitis? Basically, viruses and bacteria. If you have heard that you are suffering from viral fever सुना होगा? Yes. तो viral fever के जैसे क्या होता है? Some of the viruses by mistake enter our body and that causes fever. Okay, so one of the symptom is acute bronchitis. The next is bacteria. If you have eaten ice cream, so certain bacteria, it affects your tonsils. Okay, you suffer from swelling of tonsils. So, and this ultimately results in again damage of tissue. Okay, in that area, that basically pharyngitis, pharynx. So the cause of acute bronchitis is viruses and bacteria, but in acute bronchitis, as the name itself indicates, bronchitis, यानी वो bronchus को या bronchi को affect कर रहा है. So this viruses and bacteria, they affect the bronchi. Okay, what is the treatment? If it is bacterial, अगर तुम्हें cold and cough हो रहा है तो, and if it is not getting cured, so doctor क्या prescribe करते हैं तुम्हें? Take antibiotics. हम क्या करते हैं? We take antibiotics, a 5 days course through which the bacteria can be treated. Cough medicines, you take different medicines which acts as expectorant. Okay, यानी क्या होता है? तुम्हारा cough body से बाहर निकलता है. Certain cough syrups. Okay, so cough medicine, and also use vaporizers. Vaporizers क्या करते हैं? तुम्हारे mucus को melt करते हैं, and so this mucus, it is then thrown out of the body. Yes, so even अगर तुम गर्म पानी में vapors like Vicks है, वो भी एक vaporizer है. If you melt Vicks and if you inhale, your mucus melts. Okay, so the treatment is what? If it is bacterial, you take antibiotics, you take cough medicine, and you can even use vaporizers. So this was about acute bronchitis. Third is sinusitis. Now sinusitis. Now what basically is sinusitis? Sinuses, they are the cavities. Okay, what is sinusitis? It is a condition in which cavities around the nasal passage gets inflamed. तुम्हारा nasal passage है. Nasal passage कौन सा है? Like nose है. Yes, nose के आजू बाजू में जो cavities है, nose and cheeks के आजू बाजू में जो cavities है, they get inflamed. Inflamed means what? They get swelled up. Okay, because of cough, accumulation of cough. So this what you can say, this cavities, this condition in which cavities around the nasal passage gets inflamed, that is called as sinusitis. वो किस वजह से होता है? They are basically triggered by a cold or allergy. Okay, जब तुम्हें cold होता है, cold किस वजह से होता है? Again viruses and bacteria. So again जब तुम्हारा viruses and bacteria what cold conditions की वजह से trigger होता है, तो क्या होता है? तुम्हारे nasal cavities जो है, nasal passage के बाजू में जो cavities है, वो inflamed हो जाते हैं. That is swell up हो जाते हैं. Okay, so symptom of sinusitis is what? Inflammation of sinuses, mucus discharge. Mucus जमा हो जाता है. Okay, it causes because of viruses and bacteria. Again, the treatment remains the same. The treatment is what? If bacterial, take antibiotics and decongestants. Decongestants का मतलब क्या है? Decongestant means what? These basically like अगर तुम what you can say, you can use vaporizers. And decongestant means what, there are syrups, जैसे तुम nasal passage में तुम syrup सब liquids डालते हो, okay, तो वो क्या करता है, तुम्हारे mucus को melt करता है as within 2 minutes, okay. तो तुम्हारे you have seen certain advertisements जहाँ पे तुम्हें ये बोलते हैं कि ये liquid nasal passage block हो गया रहेगा, तो put this nasal passage in your nose, within 2 minutes your blockage will be clear. So that is called as decongestants, okay. So if it is bacterial, you can take antibiotics course, okay, that lasts for 5 days. You have to take continuously for 5 days so that the virus and bacteria is what you can say destroyed. And then you can take decongestants, and again you can use vaporizers, through the vaporizers, through the if you take hot water, okay, and if you inhale it, the mucus, what happens, it melts. So use of vaporizers. The next disorder is laryngitis. We know that larynx, one of the part of respiratory system is larynx, that is also called as voice box. So swelling of larynx is called as laryngitis. You can see here, the symptom is inflammation of larynx. Larynx is also called as voice box, or it is also called as vocal cords. Okay, larynx के अंदर क्या होते हैं, sound box होता है, which is called as vocal cords. So inflammation of larynx, that means swelling of larynx, vocal cords, okay, it results into sore throat. Sore throat means what, there are changes in the voice quality, hoarseness of voice. Hoarseness means what, hoarseness means what, again your voice quality does not remain the same. Again, as I said, that if you are suffering from cough and cold, the quality of the voice changes. Yes, the quality of the voice changes. So when the quality of the voice changes, what happens, you cannot sometimes even speak also. So that is called as hoarseness of voice. Then mucus build up and cough. Again, because of very much cold, drinking of cold water, or because of accumulation of mucus, what happens, mucus builds up, okay, because of when you are exposed to highly cold conditions, what happens, mucus built up hota hai, and even coughing, you suffer from coughing. So these are the symptoms: inflammation of larynx, swelling of larynx, vocal cords, sore throat, that is as in case of tonsils, as I said, yes, you are exposed to cold conditions and your tonsils also swelled up. And then hoarseness of voice, voice quality does not remain the same. There is also what you can say difficulty in speaking also, okay. What are the causes? Again, the causes is certain viruses and bacteria. Again, the treatment, if bacterial, you have to take antibiotics, cough medicines, voice rest. Even if you keep on talking for a longer time, you can see, you must have experienced, if you keep on continuously talking, your voice quality does not remain the same, okay. So give rest to your voice, give rest to your sound box, okay. And then avoid irritants like smoke. You should not expose yourself to different type of smokes, okay. That also acts as a treatment. Next is pneumonia. Now pneumonia, major cause of respiratory disorders which is seen in India is pneumonia. What are the symptoms? Inflammation of lungs ranging from mild to severe. Inflammation means what? Swelling of lungs, okay. Swelling of lungs or damage of lungs or irritation of lung. Inflammation basically it results in swelling. Swelling किस वजह से होता है? Because of some of the irritant pollutants, okay. So symptom is inflammation of lungs ranging from mild to severe. पहले initial cases में pneumonia mild रहता है and then it may lead to severe. जैसे आजकल कोरोना चल रहा है, right? So if a patient is suffering from corona, it has been seen that the major symptom of corona was what? Pneumonia. Many people die of pneumonia. So because of pneumonia, what happens? Your lungs, the tissues of the lungs are destroyed. And before destruction, what happens? Swelling of the lungs or alveoli takes place. So major symptom is what? Inflammation of lungs ranging from mild to severe, cough, and fever, shortness of breath, as I said, the person is not able to breathe, chills, okay, chills means again fever, okay, sweating, chest pain, and the major symptom of pneumonia is blood in mucus. When you throw out cough, okay, your body always tries to remove cough from the body because it does not allow enough of oxygen to go. So whenever there is blood in the mucus, it is a major sign that you are suffering from a very severe disease. So you should consult immediately, you should consult to a doctor whenever you see blood in the mucus. Causes is what? Bacteria and viruses. Treatment, consult physician immediately. Again, as I said, you have to consult the doctor immediately. Then antibiotics, cough medicines, and stay warm. You should stay in warmer places because cold conditions, it triggers cough and cold, and ज़्यादा cough and cold accumulate होगा तो again there are chances you may suffer from different respiratory disorders. Major one is pneumonia. Next is asthma. Okay, now symptoms of asthma, constriction of bronchioles. हमें पता है कि trachea it divides into bronchi, bronchi again it divides into smaller divisions which is called as bronchioles. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Constriction of bronchioles. Constriction means what? जो bronchioles जो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है वो नैरो हो जाती है. नैरो हो जाती है यानी क्या? पतली हो जाती है, राइट? नॉर्मल कंडीशन में हेल्दी अडल्ट में क्या होता है? ट्यूब्स आर वाइडर. तो अगर ट्यूब वाइड होगा, बड़ा होगा, तो क्या होगा? इनफ ऑफ ऑक्सीजन विल बी रीच टू ब्रोंकियल्स. तुम्हारे लंग्स में अल्टीमेटली ब्रोंकियल्स कहाँ टर्मिनेट होता है? एल्वियोलाई में और एल्वियोलर सैक में. यस, तो उन्हें इनफ ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मिलता है. लेकिन अस्थमा में क्या होता है? जो तुम्हारे ब्रोंकियल्स है वो नैरो हो जाते हैं. नैरो यानी क्या? पतले हो जाते हैं. एंड इसके वजह से क्या होता है? इनफ ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट रीच्ड. सेकेंड कंडीशन इज व्हाट? म्यूकस बिल्ट अप इन ब्रोंकियल्स. ट्यूब में जो ब्रोंकियल्स जो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स है उसमें क्या होता है? म्यूकस जमा हो जाता है. एंड इसके वजह से क्या होता है? द पर्सन सफर्स फ्रॉम शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. देन पीरियोडिक विजिंग. पीरियोडिक विजिंग मीन्स व्हाट? विजिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? जब वो पर्सन इनहेल करता है या एक्सहेल करता है. जब वो एयर ब्रीथ करता है एंड जब वो एक्सहेल भी करता है तब क्या होता है? और विस्लिंग साउंड आता है. विस्लिंग मीन्स व्हाट? और विसल जैसे सीटी जैसे साउंड आता है जब वो ब्रीथ करता है. तो दिस विजिंग किस वजह से होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ म्यूकस इन ब्रोंकाइस. तो जब वो ब्रीथ करता है तो विसल जैसे आवाज आती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज विजिंग. एंड डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग. ऑब्वियसली डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग बिकॉज म्यूकस जमा होता है. तो दीज ऑल सिम्टम्स दे आर रिलेटेड टू अस्थमा. व्हाट कॉजेज अस्थमा? एलर्जी टू पोलेंस. ओके, पोलन ग्रेन्स जो फ्लावर्स में रहते हैं. ओके, so when you are exposed or when you are sensitive, when your body is sensitive to pollen, उसमें क्या होता है? एलर्जी टू पोलन. सम फूड, इवन अपने बॉडी को सम फूड्स जमते नहीं है. ओके, सो सम फूड कॉजेस अस्थमा. फूड लाइक एज आई सेड आइसक्रीम्स और कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. सो दीज आर द फूड व्हिच triggers cold conditions and cold condition की वजह से again mucus accumulation होता है. So that leads to asthma. Food additives, okay, then pet hairs etc. Pet hairs जैसे pets like cats, okay, cats में जो fur होता है. So because of cat के fur के जैसे क्या होता है? That may slowly accumulate, you can say, or that may result in disorder of breathing. So pet hairs, that is not actually good for the body. Okay, so allergy to pollen, some food additives, pet hairs etc. Okay, that leads to asthma. Treatment is what? Use of inhalants to open passageways to avoid irritants. तुम क्या कर सकते हो? inhalants. Okay, जैसे certain tablets है जिसके अंदर पाउडर रहती है. Okay, and when you inhale that powder, that decreases the blockage. वो क्या करते हैं? blockage जो तुम्हारे mucus की वजह से जो blockage है वो open हो जाता है and then you can breathe easily. And avoid irritants. Avoid irritants means what? There are certain, as I said, that food conditions, food, there are certain foods, as I said, cold drinks, ice creams, and even you can avoid from pet hairs also. Avoid pets. Okay, so these are all irritants that causes asthma, so you have to avoid the irritants. Next disorder, it is occupational disorder, occupational respiratory disorder. Now उसमें क्या है? Silicosis and asbestosis. Okay, silicosis and asbestosis. Now occupational respiratory disorder, what do you mean by occupational disorder? Occupational lung disease, they are related to work. किस कंडीशंस में तुम वर्क करते हो? जैसे तुमने कुछ लेबर्स देखे रहेंगे, सम फैक्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं, जैसे टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री. यस, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है? द फाइबर्स ऑफ द क्लॉथ, इफ यू आर वर्किंग फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, उसमें क्या होता है? जो फाइबर्स रहते हैं, देयर आर चांसेस यू आर एक्सपोज टू दैट फाइबर्स, एंड धीरे धीरे दैट फाइबर्स इट कैन accumulate in your lungs. Okay, so occupational, why it is called as occupational lung disease are occupational or it is work related. Okay, so usme kya, here in occupational respiratory diseases we are going to study silicosis and asbestosis. Silicosis, when you are exposed continuously to silica. Okay, and asbestosis, that means what? If you are working in a factory of asbestos, okay, patra jo bolte hain, so even so silicosis and asbestosis, they are respiratory disorder, they are occupational respiratory disorder. Symptom is what? Inflammation, fibrosis. Inflammation, fibrosis means what? Swelling. And fibrosis means what? It is basically inflammation is what? A physical condition in which part of the body gets swollen, okay, or it becomes painful. Okay, and fibrosis means what? Development of tissue. Okay, fibrosis, here you can say it is development of tissues. Tissues kahan develop hote hain? In the lungs, or in the basically in the lungs, which causes lung damage. So symptom is inflammation, fibrosis and lung damage. Causes what? Long-term exposure to dust particles, silica, asbestos particles during occupation. As I said, if you are working in textile industry, if you are working in silicon industry, or if you are working in asbestos factory, your lungs are continuously exposed to dust particles like silica and asbestos, and that leads to lung damage. Treatment is what? Protective mask and gear during work. Protective mask, continuously you should wear protective mask so that your nasal passage is not exposed to such particles during work. Okay, so that is the best option you can take the treatment. Okay, so this is related to occupational respiratory disorders. So today we have seen different respiratory disorders, okay, which can damage your respiratory system. So here I stop today. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.